Sithule Mthwakazi omuhle siyalamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungolwesithathu ziyisithupha kuNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2025. Indaba lizethulelwa nguKhethiwe Chuma. Kwesihamba phambili namhlanje. Iqiniso alincwatshwa kusho uMongameli uChamisa lapho etshela izakhamizi ukuba wayephumelele ngokhetho lomnyaka ka-2018 lomnyaka ka-2023. Okhangela ngezokuthengiselana uMasaraure uphawula ngomthetho omusha wokusebenza kahulumende. Sowulokuthukuthela ngemva kokuba kudlwengulwe umntwana wesikolo owenza izinga lesikhombisa emoteni yekombi ebipakiwe. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Umongameli wabantu Advocate Nelson Chamisa uthi iqiniso ngeke laze lancwatshwa. Lokhu bekhuluma ngemva kokuphawula ngokhetho lomnyaka ka-2018 lomnyaka ka-2023 lapho avume khona ukuba wayenqobile. Uye waphosela emakhasini akhe okuxhumana namhlanje. Umongameli uChamisa uthi iqiniso liza kuvela kungekudala ngoba imphumela yokhetho yombili iza kuvela njalo izakhamizi ziza kuba kwazi ukuba zaqilibezelwa njani kulelo khetho. Inkulumo kaMongameli uChamisa iza ngemva kokuba ihlanganele izakhamizi ilizwe lonke jikelele phambi kokuba amemezele inhlanganiso yakhe entsha ngemva kokuchiya kuleyo ayikiyo isixamukele libandla leZANU-PF. Siye saxoxisana lezakhamizi ukuze sizwe imbono yabo ngalolu daba.
Reference i-comment ka-President le ekhuluma nge-2018 le-2023 elections. Mina ngivumelana laye kakhulu uPresident. Abantu batshentshelwa ivoti yabo kakhulu. Abantu batshentshelwa ivoti and iZANU to cover up yabulala abantu, yadubula abantu, yabulala abantu. Akulanto yenziwayo after that. Babuya basenzela baproduce uMonzora. UMonzora obuye futhi warecall ama-MPs ku-opposition to destroy opposition. Sithe kunjalo abantu bathula bakukhangela. Ngo-23 the same happened. Badliwa outright. Bathe bedliwe futhi babe beproducer uChabangu. uChabangu uthebile bakwazi ukuthi singabuyela ku-rerun kuma-by-elections bazadliwa. Wahle babhana ama-candidates yawe-CCC Changeni kuma-by-elections bakwenza bodwa futhi uChabangu wadestroya i-opposition. iZANU akula muntu emlandelayo ngaphandle kukaChamisa ngoba bananzelela ukuthi is the anointed leader and akulanto abangamenza yona. Ile support yabantu, ile support yomhlaba wonke. Bona beyiclick betshentshela ilizwe abantu bedubeka benzi bayenza umathanda elizweni. It's time abantu bavuke babone ukuthi iZANU is doing what. Alone uPresident cannot do anything. Kumele sisihambe laye sonkeni sisukumele ka-one sibambisaneni sikhiphe inyamazana lethu ayiZANU-PF.
Afternoon, all citizens. On the president saying that the truth will come out one way or the other, I think everyone is waiting for that truth. Because really, if we see what has been happening, you'll see that ZANU-PF never won the elections, be it in 2018 or be it in 2023. They only rigged those elections. And so, really, if there is any chance that the truth be told, then the truth should be told and the citizens should be told of what actually transpired, so that at least the citizens, they'll make a decision in who exactly is their leader. Because right now, the citizens are just nowhere, and really we cannot say we've got a government that is currently there, because what is currently there is just a regime that has actually raped the people of Zimbabwe. And, you know, everyone is just waiting for that time where we can actually have a leader who's going to lead us. And we are still waiting for the president, Advocate Nelson Chamisa. And also, it's good that he's actually doing his rounds, consulting the rural areas especially, and also opinion leaders on his next move on the new movement. I think it's a good idea also. But we just pray that the truth comes out very soon, so that at least people can know what really transpired. Thank you very much.
Hello, Champion. How are you? So you say it's okay. I think my statement that President Chamisa, they are very clear. One, the truth reveal one. Kudiwa kwavanoitwa nevanhu vezimbabwe iko zvinogatidza kuti the politics of opposition, the politics of Zimbabwe dzakanyarara. So kudiwa kwavanoita nevanhu vezimbabwe, if you come back to politics, zvichangotaridza zvega kutaridza kuti munhu akabirwa ma-elections because vanhu vakabatira paari ndo the future of Zimbabwe. Two, you see kuti zviri kuitika kuZANU-PF, zviri kuitika kuZANU-PF kuti chokwadi chaakubuda chega, vari kurwisana vega, ukatarisa kuti there's a lot of faction between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Ona madhomokero avari kuita iko zvino, vari kurwisana vega. Mnangagwa amboda kuzama kupinza zvigananza zvake zviri kuburiswa, ambozama vananenge vamboda kuzama kunyora paTwitter, vana Chinamasa vodzima pamatwitter negirikini avo vachidzima. Chokwadi chabuda, chokwadi the truth shall speak for itself and it will stand for itself. So let's just wait and see. But chokwadi chabuda, like what happened Mugabe paanga aripo. They used to protect Mugabe. Hey, Mugabe akazodai, Mugabe ndo mambo wedu, but paakangomhanyiswa chete chakatanga kubuda chokwadi. Iko zvino vamwe vakutaura chokwadi kuti Mugabe akadyiwa election, akarambira pachinzvimbo and so forth. Vana Chinamasa vangodhomoka. Saka the truth shall come very soon. Thank you.
Uhulumende usephawule ngomthetho omusha wekuzokusebenza kwezisebenzi zikahulumende. Ngalokho sokukhitshwe izintatheli izindaba. Umthetho lo uphoqelela izisebenzi zikahulumende ukuba zithathe umhlalaphansi phambi kokuba zithathe ihofisi kwezepolitiki, kanti njalo abesifazane abakhulelweyo baza kuphiwa amalanga okuphumula angama-9 bebhadalelwa. Umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio uye waxoxisana losaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana u-Obed Masaraure osiphe eyakhe imbono mayelana ngalo mthetho. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
Indeed, we are still analyzing the bill and we'll be releasing our solid analysis next week, which we will also be using for our lobby and advocacy. But what we have picked on face value at the moment is that there is no emphasis on things that really matter for the workers, particularly Section 65 of the Constitution, which was really the basis of our contention with regards to the Act, the Public Service Act. We are glad at least that there is some mentioning of collective job actions being introduced. Of course, there is a mention of fixing conditions of service in line with Section 203B of the Constitution. But we are not really impressed by the wording, which we think the law should make things more certain, not deferring to the regulations. So, for example, on the need to fix conditions of service, it is clear the need to relate also to Section 65.5 was also very much important. But also the issue of women going on maternity leave. We note that it is stated that 90 days, but the bone of contention has always been around the incidences of going to maternity leave, given the fact that our Constitution now allows absolute maternity leave without conditionalities. So we expected the Act to completely address that, so that the conditionalities which were in the regulations of going 3 instances paid and also the issues of probation, the law should simply be explicit that it should be now absolute paid maternity leave. Whether someone gets pregnant for 10 times, 20 times, among other things. But we are glad that there is some movement along this path of trying to reform the Public Service Act. This is one issue that we had also taken to the International Labour Organization, which is also part of the discussions we intend to do with government. So we're hopeful that maybe when we raise our own analysis and our own recommendations, Parliament will capture them before the final act is published.
Intombazana eleminyaka engamashumi 3 eyenza izinga lesikhombisa kubikwa idlwenguliwe emoteni ebimile eRezende Packet erenkini kwele Harare. Intombazana le kubikwa idlwengulwe ngomunye wabamemezela izimota ngemva kokumvalela phakathi kwemota yeToyota Hiace esenza ingathi ngumuntu omncedayo lapho ebehlukunyezwa ngabanye abamemezela izimota. Ilunga ledale lePhalamende emela omama kanti njalo elwela amalungelo abasifazana umhlonitshwa uMutha Mrombetsi usesole kakhulu ukukhuphuka kwezinga lokudlwengulwa kwamankazana kanye lokuhlukunyezwa komntwana oyinkazana. Uye wamemezela ukubeka kube lemithetho efakwayo eza kubophisa labo abahlukumeza abantwana bahlale isikhathi eside ejele. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa Mrombetsi ekhuluma.
Indeed, I'm deeply outraged and heartbroken. A 13-year-old girl, who's a child herself, was raped inside a parked combi at Rezende Park Rank in broad daylight in the center of our capital city, Harare. This is not just a criminal act, it's a reflection of how unsafe our public spaces have become for girls and women. How can a combi be turned into a trap for predators right in the heart of Harare with no patrols, no cameras and no accountability? To the Ministry of Transport and Harare City Council, your silence is violence. Every unregulated combi rank, every tout allowed to operate freely, every ignored report of harassment creates the conditions for this kind of atrocity. I demand immediate action, mandatory surveillance at all public transport ranks, tighter combi regulations, background checks on operators, and just daily patrols by municipal police. But more than that, we demand justice. We demand swift, uncompromising justice. Child rapists must face the harshest penalties available under our law. There must be no room for leniency. There must be no room for delays and no room for backdoor deals. And we're calling on Parliament, to the justice system and the executive. The safety of the girl child must become a national emergency. We are not doing enough, and as long as our daughters are not safe, none of us is safe. Let this be a turning point for us. Let this tragedy spark change in law, in policy, and in how we protect the vulnerable. We need to act now.
Uhulumende kuliviki uye wamemezela ukuba usesenqabela ukuthengiswa kwempahla ezindala kanye lokuthengisa ebusuku. Siye saxoxisana labanye abathengisayo kwele Chitungwiza kanye leHarare ukuze sizwe yabo imbono mayelana ngalolu daba. Ake sizweni.
Isusu semavhenda titowirirane nekuti hurumende iti inobhana mavhenda kana kuti itipe timetable yekushanda. As long as vanhu vachifamba isu tinenge tichiti muZimbabwe hamuna mabasa, kana vanhu vachifamba tofanira kuti tinge tichiita sei tigona kutengesa zvinhu zvedu. Tozviziva kuti ivo vanoti endai munotengesera kunzvimbo dzinotenderwa but dzishoma. Hatina kwekuti kunzvimbo dzinotenderwa dzachene dzishoma, ende kana dzichinge dzagadzirwa dziri kuzodhuriswa. Like example yemba remusika yakagadzirwa yatsva yakaiva kuti vanhu vachipinda imomo mari dzinenge dzakutaurwa dzakawandisa. Saka nyaya yekutengesa yekuti mavhenda vanzi vasatengese even during the night yacho mutauni machene manheru vanhu vanenge vachifamba ndo pasingasunge mapurisa, ende hapana pressure yakawanda inenge irimo manheru than masikati. Saka mukabhana kuti mimi vanhu vasatengese manheru, muri kuti mimi musatsvage henyu mari, asi ndo kune kutori necongestion iri nani usiku than masikati. Saka ini hangu handone sepfungwa yakanaka yekuti tive nemarestrictions ekushanda ofuchi ndo mabasa emuZimbabwe. MuZimbabwe wese anofanira kurarama nekuti atenge achitengesa kuti zvinhu zvedu zvifambe zvakanaka. Ende also panyaya yemabhero, kuti titi mabhero anobhanwa completely hazviti. Let's limit kuti kana pane zviri kuda kucontrolwa ngazvicontrolwe. Like isu tinotoziva kuti mabhero akamboita outbreak yetsikidzi yakanzi mabhero ariwo gononga rikonzeresa tsikidzi. Ngavaite make sure kuti zvinhu izvi kana mabhero achinzi ari kutengeswa ngaatengeserwa, anofanira kutengeswa handizvika, endewo ngavangochekawo pakupinda kwacheno so that zvinongoviwo neutsanana pakupinda kwazvo. zvove zvinhu zvisati kwete kuti zvivhiringidze pakurarama kwevanhu. Isu semavhenda hatitoti kana kuti tinzi tinorambidzwa kutengesa kana kuti tinobhanirwa kunzi musatengese chakati, nekuti zvinyowani zvachina hatina mari yekuzvaafodha kuti utenge hembe nyowa, bhero rehembe nyowani weva kwaunoda kutenga rinodhura than masecond hand clothes yayo. Saka tiri kuti ngavatingoisa marestrictions ekutiwo zvive neutsanana chete.
Tiri kuratidza kushungurudzika kukuru nenhau yakataurwa nehurumende yedu yekubhana mabhero, muchirungu atinoti second hand clothing, nenyaya yekuti vagari vazhinji vemuno muZimbabwe havachaafodha nhumbi dzemunana Edgars nemamiriro akaita nyika. Tiri kushungurudzika futi nenyaya yekubhanwa kwe-night vending yatinoti kutengesa manheru, nenyaya yekuti hakusi kuda kwedu semavhenda kutengesa manheru, inyaya yekuda kutobatanidza kuti zvinhu zvifambe. Dai zvinhu zvava zvakamirira mamiriro akanaka, tichitopedzawo 4 o'clock zvinoita vari kumabasa e-white collar job.
Ngemva kokuba ibandla lakhe linqotshwe ngokuyangisayo e-Epworth kuWard 6, umongameli webandla le-MDC-T uDouglas Monzora usememezele ukuba amabandla aphikisayo amanyane. Ngokumangazayo, uMonzora wasebenzisana lebandla le-ZANU-PF ukubhidliza ibandla le-MDC Alliance, lelo elaligoqela amabandla atshiyeneyo ayehlukene kubandla le-MDC. Phambi kokuba kuye ekhethweni lomnyaka ka-2018, siye saxoxisana lesinye isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo eMashonaland Central, uMhlonitshwa uSemkondongwe, osiphe eyakhe imbono mayelana ngalolu daba. Ake sizweni.
I am shocked that Douglas Monzora is now calling for unity of all opposition political parties. Yet working in cahoots with ZANU-PF destroyed the very fiber of democratic political parties, the MDC alliance, which was a formidable alliance of various MDC splinters. This utterance by Douglas Monzora follows his party's embarrassing loss in Epworth Ward 6 by-election. It is very unfortunate that people think it is a walk in the park to be a president of a party. I don't know, these guys that think they are much educated, they miss the mark. They see people as their toys that they can use at any given time. You know, Douglas Monzora destroyed the movement, destroyed the MDC alliance because of the greediness to be a political leader. Yet he could have worked in his position and attained more than what he is attaining now. And he went to bed with ZANU-PF, and now they are satisfied with his results. They were satisfied with the results that they got from bedding with him, but now he wants to abandon the people that he was in bed with, and he wants to play clever and call for unity like he means it. Yet deep down his heart, he knows who he is working for. His paymasters, the ZANU-PF people, if they are fed up with you, they will spew you like a used bubble gum. And now he can't even find his ground now. He can't find his standing because he's going to be humiliated, not just in Epworth, but everywhere where he goes. Even the court that gave him the Harvest House, now they've changed the course and said he is no longer the president. They've got to go again to Congress to choose the proper president of that party. This shows you that if you go to bed with the devil, the color that you come out with is the color of the devil, and the people will see you for who you are. So Douglas Monzora should not come and masquerade as a saint, yet he is the culprit. He is the reason why opposition in Zimbabwe is scattered like it is today. It is because of his love for money, love for power, love for prestige. We really are moving in the right direction now with Advocate Nelson Chamisa. The moment that he comes in to pronounce and announce the new baby, everyone else will go and rally behind the visionary person who can't be bought by trinkets, but who looks for the welfare of every citizen.
Izolo abakhonzayo bevela kumabandla ashiyeneyo baye bathi kwaqa eChitungwiza epolorhweni laseManyame lapho kwabhubha khona abantu abangama-70 kungozi yomgwaqo emgwaqweni weSeke kunyanga ephelileyo. Laba bakhonzi baye babamba umthandazo oyisikhumbuzo salabo abalahlekelwa zimpilo zabo. Emavikini ambalwa sekube lengozi zemota eziningi ezenzakala kulowo mgwaqo. Lokho kuye kwaphoqelela abafundisi ukuba benze imithandazo ukwenqabela izingozi emgwaqweni ohlanganisa iChitungwiza leHarare. Amanye ama-yunivesithi asebenzisa imali yezigu ukubhadalisa imfundo beqhathanisa ngemali yangasese. Lokhu kuye kwavezwa inhlanganiso yeZimbabwe National Students Union iZINASU lapho abasole khona i-University yaseChinoyi i-CUT kanye le-University yase-Great Zimbabwe i-GZU ngokusebenzisa imali beqhathanisa imali yomgunyathi. Idola elilodwa laseMelika lilingana le mali yezigu engama-34 kanti yona imali esemthethweni ithi idola leMelika kumele liqhathaniswe lezigu ngama-27. Inhlanganiso yeZimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission iZAC kubikwa isiqale uphenyo mayelana lenkohlakalo lapho kubikwa imali yepenshini yalabo ababesebenzela amaphephandaba bengayitholi ngendlela efaneleyo. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuba kuvele ukuba labo akumele bathole le imali baphila phakathi kodubo kukanti iziphathamandla zale bhodi zidla butepu. Inhlanganiso yeZimpepers kuyilugatsha lukahulumende kanti njalo iyekhangele amaphephandaba kahulumende afana le-The Herald kanye le-Chronicle lezi ezaziwa ngokukhulumela ibandla le-ZANU-PF. Izolo umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio yewakhipha udaba lokuba umphathintambo omusha wenhlanganiso ye-ZBC uShuga Chakonda kumele enze indlela zokuba lo umsakazo ungabi ngumlomo webandla le-ZANU-PF. Namhlanje sixoxisane lesiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo uJefferson Chitando osiphe yakhe imbono mayelana ngalolu daba.
We all applaud ZBC for finally appointing a chief executive who is taking over from an acting ZANU-PF activist and acting chief executive Munganasa Charles, who was a ZANU-PF youth leader of the Youth League. So we as Zimbabweans do look forward for Sugar Chagonda as a former broadcaster himself to understand the ethics of a public broadcaster. ZBC operates and is funded by the public, the taxpayer, who include ZANU-PF members, who include opposition members, who include various church members and different organizations in Zimbabwe. So we urge Sugar Chagonda to take up this post with a very independent and progressive mind that the ZBC should not be the mouthpiece of ZANU-PF propaganda, but a people's broadcaster a People C station, a People C news, a People C entertainment center.
Ngesikhangele kwezemidlalo, owayengumdlali weqembu lase-Arsenal uThomas Partey usehlanganele leqembu lase-Spanish iVillarreal lapho ehambe kungelambadalo. uPartey owetheswa amacala amaningi okudlwengula kwele-England uphiwe isibambiso esimvumela ukuba aye kwele-Spain. Ngokuzalwa evela kwele-Ghana, lo umdlali waphakathi wetheswa amacala okudlwengula abesifazane abathathu phakathi komnyaka ka-2021 lomnyaka ka-2022. Ilizwe laseSenegal liye lasungula namhlanje imidlalo yabo kuTournament yeChan lapho linqobe ilizwe laseNigeria 1-0 kuGroup D kweleZanzibar eTanzania. Kuhlandla elifanayo njalo iCongo Brazzaville leSudan zibe ngujikelo bhanqa 1-1. Kuhlandla lesibili emidlalweni ekhangelelwe ukuba idlalwe namhlanje, iTanzania iza kudlala leMauritania kanti iCentral African Republic yona iza kudlala leBurkina Faso. Amagoli amabili avele kuDiédhiou Gassama kanye lelilodwa elivele kuCyril Dessers elepenalty lenze iqembu lamaRangers lathungamela ngamagoli amathathu emidlalweni abawudlalele Victoria Pleasant kuhlandla lokuqala emahlandleni amathathu emidlalo ye-UEFA Champions League. Iqembu likaMunashe Garananga leCopenhagen libe ngujikelo bhanqa leMalmö, kwathi iPaphos yona yanqoba iDynamo Kyiv 1-0, kwathi iKarabakh yona yanqoba ngegoli lalo elifananayo 1-0 lapho bebedlala leShekentisha. Ukusiphetha lezi indaba kumsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio nanze bezihamba phambili. Umongameli uChamisa uthi iqiniso kalizukuncwatshwa lapho ebetshela izakhamizi ukuba wanqoba kukhetho lomnyaka ka-2018 lokhetho lomnyaka ka-2023. Usaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana uMasaraure uphawula ngomthetho omusha wokusebenza kukahulumende. Sokulentukuthelo ngemva kokuba kudlwengulwe umfundi wezinga lesi-7 emotweni ebipakiwe kweleHarare. Siziphetha lapha lezi ndaba.